Hi, my name's Eamon, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a basic text paragraph to a page on your website. To add basic text to a page, go to Content and select Edit on your desired page. Select the Add Paragraph button at the bottom left of the page. Then select the basic text paragraph type. You will now see the basic text paragraph appear alongside your existing paragraphs. This basic text paragraph type works like most text editors that you might be familiar with. You can copy or type in your text and use the tools at the top of the editor box to add formatting, links, lists, quotes, and headings. For advanced users, the HTML of this text can be edited using the source tool. However, in order for some of the more advanced HTML changes to be preserved, you will need to set the text format from basic to full HTML. To change the location of the text on the page, you can simply drag the paragraph type up or down. To view your changes before saving, you can use the preview button at the top right, and always remember to save your changes before you finish. That's a brief overview of the basic text paragraph type. I'll see you in the next video.